Hi everyone, welcome to this vlog Saturday, and I'm having my bath enclosure, not enclosure, the actual tray being removed and repaired, and there was also a leakage in my bathroom. I'm having some work done in here, and the workers found that there was actually wood used underneath the shower tray. You can see here that was wood used. All that's rotten, all that's having to come off. And you know where sometimes you don't know work is being done, and if you don't keep a good eye on it, on what's being done, you miss quite a lot of things. It's been some years since this work was done, and I actually didn't know um that they used wood. I actually asked the workers why was there wood used. They said it's supposed to be MDF, which I think is a more of a waterproof material. I've heard of MDF, but I know it's more of a waterproof material. And they use the wood. This is the actual shower tray. It's the other way around, and I'm just trying to clean it all up. I just wanted to show what I was doing and what people have to be careful of sometimes when you're doing repairs. There's a lot of work done these days, that people just do whatever they want to do. That all that wood is coming from underneath the bathroom, which is not good. Underneath the shower tray, which is not good at all. So I just wanted to alert people to some of the issues. And then also up here, a while ago, I had my window done. They fixed me a new window, which was actually quite good. But then they also didn't do the plastering on the top of it, so you can see that plastering wasn't done. So they ignored and left that. And then when the window was fixed, they said that it came with some kind of extractor fan. So that extractor fan, what they did was to come up and put this right here. My workers also removed that to check it, because I said to them, why do I have issues on my ceiling like this? The ventilation is not good. And they put a switch which comes on, but nobody knows what it's really doing, whether it's really extracting. They checked it. Luckily, it was dry up there underneath, and they put this line along the ceiling all the way there, and then they put a switch which you pull. It makes a noise, but I don't think it's really actually ventilating anything. This is my shower enclosure they've removed to do the work. So they are going to fit me a new extractor there that's going to point outwards, and it actually draw it will draw out, and it will be able to actually bring some ventilation. Right now I've just been helping them clean the floor, because they've gone to get some wood, not wood, I beg your pardon, they've gone to get some MDF and everything else that they need, and then they're going to bring something here that they're going to fix so that the leakage actually stops. Well, you know, sometimes when you don't know exactly what is happening and you're not somebody that's an expert in these things, you've got to just think a bit deeper and get some advice. But I knew something wasn't right underneath there, because the leakage, and then there was a slight slant and everything. So I thought, let me just get it done. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I'm just going to continue cleaning now. So I'll try and see if I can actually show what I'm doing. I don't know if I'll be able to be seen. If I'll be able to be seen, let's put it there. And I'll just do some cleaning quickly and finish off. Just try to tried to remove this wood, but it's really hard, so I think I'll leave that for the traders to come and remove. But they've gone now, so I thought I'd just help them just do a bit of work and clean up, because even they probably knew it was bad, but probably not as bad as they thought, as bad as they found it. So it's very tough, actually. Really tough. I can remove it. I had already started cleaning it, but as you can see, there's quite a lot of water down there, and just try to remove it. I believe that they're going to pull that out. Yeah, so quite hard work, and I just trying to help out. So this person, none of those things. I'm just showing